Hey, I'm your traffic monetization expert Maro, and I'm here to tell you how to get the most when running MultiTag. We saw before that MultiTag is a tool that effectively runs 4 formats at the same time and an auto-optimization method. So it analyzes your traffic to display the best format every time. But there are some tricks to get even more with MultiTag. For instance, there are some types of traffic that boast better performance. Social traffic is one of the most effective types. Getting a steady influx through viral content and running MultiTag, you might have a formula to success. Well, this might be a hard-to-reach ideal. How can you get this double home run? Through powerful content management strategies. Here is what you can try. Create quality, active, catchy, engaging, and memorable content related to recent events. Use keywords and long-tail keywords consistently in your headers and your content. Share your content and engage with your followers and social media and direct messaging apps. But also know when it's time to invest in quality referral traffic, social media, and social sites, and also in good ratings. Spend on SEO, PPC, and so on. As for the MultiTag itself, just follow our tag setups and everything will be alright. Last but not least, don't forget to check our upcoming video. We're sure you're gonna love it, just as much as you love staying updated with our content. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell. See you soon!